The mushrooms are all fried. And now we're about to start cutting. Okay, so currently I only used a little bit of oil to fry them. Mainly what they used was their own water that released from them. So I just waited until no more juice, no more water was releasing from them, and then I knew that they were done. And I kept on flipping them. So I'm gonna flip it over. I just kept flipping them, and as you see, it's still juicy in there too. It's still juicy. Oh, and hot. So we're gonna start our mix. So I'm gonna be using my poultry season, my gravy, poultry gravy. I'm gonna be using some parsley flakes, some black pepper, seasoned to your liking. I don't know what you like. You don't know what I'm looking to taste. Some cayenne pepper just for a little spice. 3 pinches, if you will. But I just might need all of that salt. Okay, let's sprinkle that in there. That should be good. Onion powder. Garlic powder. And we need our water. Give me a minute. Okay guys, so I added in my water. That's 1 bottle. I'm gonna add in another. Because we want a gravy. Then we're gonna hit them off with the 8 ounce. That's enough. I would get my spatula, but I'm just gonna use this spoon because it would be better for me. Mix that up. You wanna let it come to boil. And then you're gonna add in everything else. So if I stop mixing right now without continuing, it's starting to heat up, so that's why it's looking like that. But yeah, so I'll show you when the gravy start gravying. Okay guys, so I cut up a half onion. And I always cut my onions like in different shapes because you don't know if you want them long 1 minute or if you want them real tiny. So I always cut them different sizes, different shapes, whatever, different directions. And I also got myself a little piece of lemon. I put an X in it, so it is cut for X sign. I'm gonna squeeze my lemon in. Let's get that lemon in here. And let's get our onions. See, like this a long piece. Okay, and now I'm going to cut up my mushrooms. And I also need to turn up my fire because it's looking like, oh look, my birthday. I also need to turn up my fire because it's looking like these are simmering, and I don't want these to simmer too much. I want these to get cooked quick. Now simmering is good, but I'm not worried about it simmering right now. So I'm gonna turn this up. That's good. That's gonna start boiling. I added in some more of a little bit of everything, and I didn't add in the gravy. I didn't add no more of the parsley. Exactly what we want to see right there. It's starting to bubble. Okay guys, so all of the mushrooms are cut. I did go ahead and add in the rest because it was only a drop anyways, and I also wanted to get thick, and that's the rest of that in there. I'm gonna get these chunks out of here, and then I'm gonna throw these mushrooms in, and I'll show you the end result.
Tastes very good. The macaroni.